A lot of people in this world have very, very sick minds. Not very easy for me to sort of keep bringing this up, but I did write a blog post. I have told most of my main subscribers about an event which happened to me. But the sickness of human nature to mock what has happened, for someone to take it and laugh. I admit I made a decision in that event. It's a decision I'm not proud of. But the person on the other end of that computer screen knew what they were doing was wrong. What they did with what they took, the images, what they did with them images, they knew were wrong. These people, these sick individuals, are on my YouTube channel, and they are bringing it up and they are mocking it. For the past 4 years, 5 years, however long it's been, I've been blaming myself, but it's you. The rest of the world is you. Most of you will not understand the emotional trauma, the depression that I went through, and I hope you never do. It nearly drove me to suicide so many times. I even attempted it and failed, which I'm very glad of now. If you've had an injustice done to you, don't blame yourself. It's really not your fault if you've been violated in any way. If anybody has caused emotional trauma to you, it is not your fault. If someone knowingly brings pain and suffering to your life in an unlawful way, report it to the police. Let people know. I did report what happened to the police. Unfortunately, nothing came of it, and the people are still out there. It's very hard for me to even talk about this, but the main moral of this video, if any sort of criminal activity has been done against you and caused you any emotional trauma, just know it is not your fault, and there are people out there who know what it's like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.